Hello and welcome to my short lecture on the subject Smart Cities and Communities. Now we will be discussing module number 5 and the unit number 5, that is, what are the smart missions India statement and guidelines. The Smart Missions India is actually a centrally sponsored scheme. So central government gives a financial support of about rupees 48,000 crores over 5 years. The average of 100 crore per city per year. The equal amount should be matched by the state or the urban local bodies, and emphasis has been given on the participation of private sector through PPP, that is public private partnerships. Government of India has laid down targets for smart cities in its draft concept note, and the indicators are compared with parameters and benchmarks stated under ISO standard for sustainable development for communities. And now we will be discussing what are the targets. First one, for transport, our travel time of maximum 30 minutes in small and medium cities and 45 minutes in metro cities. Unobstructed footpath at least 2 meter wide on either side of the street, and dedicated bicycle tracks. High quality and high frequency mass transport within 800 and paratransit access, etc. When it comes to spatial planning, 175 persons per HA along transit corridors. 95% residents should have access to retail outlets, parks, primary schools and recreational areas within 400-meter walking distance. Residences, about 95% should have access to employment, public and institutional services by public transport or bicycle or walk. At least 20% residential units to be occupied by economically weaker sections. At least 30% residential and 30% commercial, institutional in every TOD zone within 800 meter of transit stations. The water supply targets we have already seen in different unit. Solid waste management, daily doorstep collection should be possible, about 100%, and 100% segregation of waste and 100% recycling of solid waste. Stormwater drainage should be provided over 100% of the roads, and zero number of incidents of waterlogging in air in the 100% rainwater harvesting. And when it comes to education, we are to have the nature of the schools per residence as listed here. And these are the targets that are to be achieved for electricity and telephone and Wi-Fi connectivity. With this, we'll close this.